days without power. Not so cool, but finally back in here, got everything charged up, ready to go. I'm gonna cut this passenger side quarter wheel well out, hopefully get that welded up today, and the front of the quarter panel patch today, and maybe kind of vice grip down like this one. Maybe get the car looking like a car tonight. Full one. So, that'll be exciting. So let's get on it. So I got this piece all clecoed in. Got that kind of weird radius-ish piece there. Caps are tight enough. So I'll just start tacking. And after I tack, I'll finish off this panel and actually just do the whole quarter. Alright, got this tacked up enough. Take my clecos off. So now I need to hammer these tacks flat and file them, and then go around again, tack it even closer, and file and hammer it again. painstaking work of filing and hammer and doweling every tack. Whew. Still gotta do this. Kind of started on it, but it's not easy to file, so kind of don't like doing it. This one's easier to file because it's on a curve. That one's just flat. Taking this file and having to hold it like this and file stuff kind of beats your fingers up, so I like it better on this. It happened again. I got excited. Didn't turn any cameras on, but I kind of loosely mocked up the body on the frame, so pretty excited. Here's this quarter. Still need to fully weld it, but it's all tacked in place. It's pretty badass, if you ask me. So, I'm going to take this back apart because I just kind of mocked it up to see what it would look like. Still need to do a lot of work, so I'm going to take this back apart and then continue to work on this quarter panel. So again, looks like things rusted on me. I forgot to spray it with my magical sauce. So I'm gonna clean it up. Alright, so I got this all scotch-brighted up, kind of cleaned up all the rust. I'm gonna hit it now with some acetone to further clean it. Then I'm gonna continue welding. This bottom all welded up fully. There's a couple spots Basically one big spot right here where it kind of blew through and I had to fill that. That's going to be a pain in the ass. This too over here, of course, right in the seam, it had to blow out and I had to chase it up a little bit, but